In VistaCreate, you can also work around with videos. And to work with videos, you can utilize the library of videos that VistaCreate has. So to search for and add in videos onto your project, you can go around over here onto the videos section right here. So once you go around over here, you can see that there's many different videos that you can add in. But if I want a specific video, then I can just go around over here and type in whatever I want. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say learning and press enter right here, and learning related videos pops up. The one with the diamond right here is the premium ones, while the one without are free ones to use. So let's say I want to use this video right here. So let me just go around and click and drag out the video right here. Then what happens is that it says just a moment, and it gives you an area to preview out the video right here on how that actually looks. So over here you can see that the length of this video overall is 6 seconds. But you can go around and select out the length as you like right here, like in an out point for where you want the video to be. And then you can see that now you have 4 seconds of video. Then you can go around and confirm it, and the video will be inserted right here. So now you can keep the video, let's say for example over here in certain section, or you can go around and resize it so that it take the full length of the project right here. You can press the play button over here to preview it out as well. Similarly, you can go around and bring in other video over here. Let's say for example, I can go around and add in a new page and then add in another video around over here as well. So just like that, I can go around and select out, let's say, certain portion. I can zoom in around over here as well to be more precise in the selection right here, just like this. And then once I'm happy with my selection just like this, I can go around and click and drag to select the in point and out point according to how I like, and press confirm. And what happens is that there is another video around over here, as you can see. So this is what you have. So over here on the bottom, there's this timeline that I have right here. So you can see that this is the first video right here. And as it plays through, it goes around to the second video over here, just like this. And that is how you can go around and search and add in videos onto your projects inside of VistaCreate. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.